After losing 87 pounds on the Cooking Light diet, there are a lot of little things I've noticed. Things like being able to walk to the top of the train stairs and not get winded. When I sit on the train, I take up a little bit less room than I once did. I knew I needed to do something to get my weight under control. And on social media, I saw the Cooking Light diet and I signed up with the program. And it turned out that that very first free trial, there were 4 or 5 recipes that I loved. I realized that the Cooking Light diet was starting to work after a few weeks of cooking delicious food, having wonderful meals, not feeling hungry, feeling super satisfied with what I was eating, and then also losing weight. The ability to go to the grocery store and get what you need to cook these delicious recipes, for me, it's really been a game changer to have something fit so well and be so easy and also give me such success. There's something about the message of healthy food doesn't have to be tasteless. It's about teaching you how to shop at the grocery store or what kinds of foods you need to be looking for. It's also really helped with going out to lunch during the workday. I know that I have a delicious meal waiting for me, and so I can just go to the kitchen, heat up what I had for dinner last night, and it's been incredibly helpful to be able to do that. I have an amazing group of friends, and I'm really excited when I can have them over. Their love and their encouragement, and to be honest, their love of eating my food has really kept me going. It's so heartwarming to know that I can introduce healthy recipes and have my friends say things like, "I love to come to your house because I know I'm going to eat really great food and it's going to be good for me." I love hearing things like that. It hasn't been an easy journey, for sure. Changing your life is never an easy task. I have lost 87 pounds on the Cooking Light diet, and it feels fantastic. And it's important to share it with people because you can feel good about yourself and still eat really good food. Making healthy changes, eating food that's good for you, moving more, exercising, all of it really does impact your outlook on life, how happy you feel, how excited you are to start every day. And then I'm stopping because I'm going to start crying again.